You're probably here to learn how email marketing can elevate your business. But before we start, let me tell you a short story about email itself. So how does this long-established communication method compare to the newbies like social media? Well, first off, many people simply don't like social networks. They're not active on them or haven't even set up an account. But everybody's got email, right? Secondly, most of the other marketing tools out there, like PPC, are great for bringing in new customers, but they're poorly applicable when it comes to maintaining relationships with them. On the other hand, email marketing can be used for both, but email marketing really excels at maintaining the relationship with your customer. The moment you have his email address, you can remind yourself anytime you need. Send him new products you sell, what's on sale for the week, what's trending. Moreover, you can send him tailor-made offers based on his preferences or prior purchases. This way you can really encourage customers to get back to you and, do some more business with you, right? So now you know what email marketing is good for.
Email marketing secret trick: 100% direct in client inbox. How? New freelancers can increase sales instantly. If you have my free email marketing secret trick, you can boost your sales for free on website, Fiverr, Upwork, YouTube and on Facebook page. You can promote affiliate link, e-commerce and Shopify stores. Free SMTP for lifetime. Free send daily 100,000 emails direct in inbox. Very easy secret trick, works for lifetime. Secret trick video duration only 30 minutes. No monthly or annual fees. 100% free secret trick for lifetime. Language: English, Hindi, Urdu. Save your $300 monthly using our secret trick. Lifetime free premium support. Money back guarantee.